Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel again. So yeah, in today's video I'm gonna show you how I click my pictures. So mostly I do it at home because abhi it's not possible to go out and shoot. So it's raining a lot, so I can't shoot even in my balcony. So I'm left with my room and I mostly shoot here. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do it. Before showing that, I'm gonna do like quickly like my basic makeup thing to just show my skin look more polished. So I'm quickly gonna do that. It hardly takes like 5 minutes, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna show you what all I use. So the first thing that I'm using is by Plum. This is the Plum green tea moisturizer. Wait, I'll tie my hair first. So I'm gonna use Plum moisturizer. That's like 2 pump. Done with my moisturizer. Next thing I'm gonna do is moisturize my lips. Again, I'm gonna use Vaseline. Most of the products are gonna be same, which I showed like in a previous video. If you haven't watched it, I'll link it down. Make sure you watch it. So yeah, I'm gonna use mostly all of them. So next thing I'm going to use is Hydro Makeup Base. Now this is something you can use below your base. It just gives like a nice shine to your face, so I use it that way. I hardly use like base products, so I just use this, so it gives like a sheer glittery glowy effect. By the way, this one is from Miniso. Yeah, this is how my skin looks like. I'm using Lakme 95cc cream, and this one is in the shade Bronze 03. Now next thing I'm going to use is blush. This is from Sugar. And yeah, I think I'm done. Now next up thing, I'm doing it so quickly, okay? So this one is eyebrow powder. This is from Miniso again, and it has like 2 shades in it, so I use the darker one. Okay, I'm done with my brows, and now I'm going to use highlighter. So the highlighter looks really nice in pictures, so I use that. I'm just going to apply this. Again, this one is from Maybelline Master Strobing Stick. So sometimes I do like really heavy like eyes. If I want to play with makeup, I do like a black eyeshadow look, which I'll insert a picture here, which I did recently. So yeah, I try and flip my makeup looks here and there, but this is the basic one that I keep. Now I'm just going to apply lipstick. Now this one I'm using is from Color Bar. This is the Matte Me As I Am lip color, which is in the shade Leap 03. This one is again like very nude. And yeah, this is how I basically do. Itna karne se bhi, you just look much presentable and much nice and polished. It doesn't look like you aap neend se utھ ke aaye ho. So yeah, so I'm wearing this top. So yeah, नीचे कुछ इतना fancy पहनने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And I'm gonna shoot here. I'm gonna show how I keep my backgrounds, how I do it. So let's just get started. Also ignore my room is complete mess. So yeah, don't mind that. I am a mess, okay? So this is the wall. This is the plain wall that I use for my shooting. बाकी सब walls में मतलब उतना कुछ है नहीं करने के लिए. So this one is the plain one. और ये grid है which helps me a lot. So I'm going to like place a runner So what I am planning to do is वो जो रनर इफेक्ट नहीं आता है फोटो में, you know, you just have like a cloth going in the background and you're on the front, and the silhouette effect, I want that in my picture today. So I'm thinking to use that and place it there. Bedsheet plain color है white, which works, and I'm going to stick that bedsheet here, यहाँ पे grid में. जो अपने कपड़े सुखाने की क्लिप नहीं आती, I use that, or I use some other clips and just stick it there and put the runner. And yeah, we are done. So I have kept this stool right here. इसके ऊपर से मैं ये क्लॉथ लूँगी. So yeah, this is like my setup for shooting. I'll place my camera here, bed pe, and I'm gonna shoot there. So right now I'm shooting from my camera. This is G7X Mark II, and इसमें ये auto feature होता है which does everything actually. And yeah, this is my camera and this is my setup. So I'm gonna shoot now. So yeah, see you after the shoot. Hi guys, so I'm done shooting my pictures. Few of them turned out good, so I'll insert them. You can see how they look and comment down how they look and tell me what all changes I can do. And yeah, I think this is pretty great idea if you don't have you know, good background, and if you want like plain background, you can use your bed sheets, you can use your what to call shawls, you can use that, and yeah, you can use a lot of things. So lockdown has definitely taught me what all things I can use at home and make a good use out of it, and yeah, this is one of them. I really like it. I use like different color bed sheets, and I'll also insert one picture wherein I use like a sky blue color bed sheet, which also turned out great. So yeah, you all can check that out if you want. And yeah, I'm done with my pictures. Now I have to clean all the room, which is the saddest part. Okay, if you film anything or you shooting is fun, filming is fun, but the aftermath of it is like, and I hate cleaning, I hate organizing. This is so much tiring but fun at the same time. I hope you all also try like different kinds of you know, photo shoots at home and let me know how that turned out. I would love to hear it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I mean, yeah, I hope you learned something, how to click. You can use your phone self timer, you can use your camera self timer, you can ask someone from your house to just click pictures. I can also, you know, do like photo shoots around my house because I have like few spots wherein I can click pictures, but सब लोग हर जगह बैठे रहते हैं and I don't like to disturb them and ask them to go. So yeah, I just do everything in my room. I'm also planning to do like one photo shoot right here जो frames के इधर है, but I really don't know how I will do it. Also, one more thing I want to say is I take out lot of references from Pinterest. I go through Pinterest a lot and I search like different ideas, you know, how to shoot at home, what you can do using your basic things like basic clothes, not fancy clothes at all, and how you can do it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. You can go through my Instagram. I'll have my Instagram handle here. You can search how it looks like. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe. Until then, bye.